Hello guys, for today's video I will make a mini review about this product by KLAVUU. I think I've never talked about this on my channel, and this is something that I already have like for half a year, maybe like half a year. Oh yeah, it's actually half a year. And the first time I know about this product, before I didn't know at all about this brand or this product. So I follow a online shop in Instagram. It's called Beauty Makeup. That they're really famous for like, and they're trusted. They always bring original stuff from other countries, you know. So this one is actually from Korea, and the owner of the online shop tell us like put her review, like her personal review of this brand, because when she first, I don't know, when she came to Korea anyway, she break out a lot, and this product along with the essence repair her skin for like immediately, I think around 1 week. Yeah, so that's why me being me, I got persuaded and buy this product. And this is KLAVUU Sensitive Care Silt Repair Ampoule. So I only bought the ampoule one because I have a lot of essence already, but I plan to buy the essence too. And this is Silt Madecasoside plus Panthenol. Let me check the review of this product, or like just general. Silt. So Silt has a soothing and regenerating properties that make it perfect for sensitive skin. It's the primary ingredient in this ampoule, along with Cica and Panthenol, for additional calming and nourishing benefits. The ampoule is formulated to create a thin veil over skin to keep it hydrated and to prevent environmental stressor from damaging the moisture barrier. Also, the formula has a mild pH of 6.5. So it's like a skin barrier kind of product that can help us to protect our skin barrier. So I actually really like this kind of product, and rather than product that can like help to cure acne, help to like cure a wrinkle or anything like that, I always go for the product that can help to what is this, help to rebuild, like help to protect and repair our skin barrier, because I think that that's the most important thing for our skin. That if our logically speaking, if our skin barrier is good, then that's mean that our skin will be good too, will be better. There will be no problem or less problem, something like that. So I will use it. I already used a sheet mask and essence before, so now why am I? No, so I will not talk about the sheet mask. I want to talk about the sheet mask, but I already made a video about it. So it smells strange. It's actually quite pricey. The price is $37 on Sokoglam, but so it's around 500,000 in rupiah, I think, almost around that price. What I don't really like about this product is it leaves like a slimy feeling. So it's not my skin's just never gonna be made after using this. For how long, no matter how long I like tap it onto my skin. You can see even from the camera the before and after, it looks like a lot more shinier now than before. I don't really like that. I like if it's only looking like that, but it actually feels like that, you know. If you put it like this, you can see the, you know, like oil. I don't like that actually, but I know this product is good because I've tried it. My hair. I think that's the video of today. I already finished. I will rate some of the review on Sakuga. It's 5 star. Leaves my face looking radiant, refreshed, and supple. I used it after cleansing and toning nightly. So 5 star again. Love it. Help my skin hydrate and help dark spot minimize. So 5 star. I need something in my routine that would add moisture to my face for my dry areas without making me sticky. This is the perfect for that. It has it's not making us sticky, but it leaves like a weird film over it. It was on my skin. I will continue to read. It adds so much needed moisture to my face and make my skin dewy without making it oily. I use less than half a dropper every morning as I find full dropper to be too much for the oil. So this bottle has lasted me over 2 months. I work in a warehouse and I've often come home to tight dry skin. Since using this, I haven't had troubles with any dry patches or tightness throughout the day. I'm into ordering my second bottle of this, and it's going to be a staple in my routine for a long time. Another, I'm loving this. I'm able to use this during the day, and the sunscreen, I'm feeling totally hydrated but not oily but dry. What happens to me in the summer? Okay, that's the review. It's already, you know, it still it's already quite absorbed, but still leave me some some filming texture over it. Anyway, thank you for watching me.